Work for 12 to 16 hours a day and keep hustling until you achieve all your goals. This is a very popular statement among masses. But is that even possible? And is it applicable for more brain intensive work like coding, graphic designing, etc.? Well, it seems impossible to me as of now. Can productivity be increased without working for long hours? Yes, certain rituals can definitely boost your productivity, but it's better if you don't depend on them completely. I'll tell you an incident that happened with Mark Manson, a famous writer. For completing his book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Dash, it took him 18 months. In that period, he wrote nearly 150k words, and he confidently admits that most of his work he had written were completed in the last 3 months. You may be wondering he must have increased his work hours to meet the deadline, but it is not so. Mark worked less than what he was doing before, yet somehow his productivity level boomed. You are probably aware of some common practices that are advised for increasing productivity. Some of them are waking up early, drinking tons of water, making a to-do list, and so on. So these practices definitely increase your productivity, but there's a hidden secret behind it all that you should be chasing after. What I am about to say might irritate you, and you may have already heard this advice before, but let's explore it one more time. We are all different, and so are our productive hours. The best thing to do would be working for different hours every day and reviewing your work every night before sleeping. You should note the timings and your productivity levels. For example, 6 am to 10 am. Apply this method for some time and keep note of your productivity levels and the times. Eventually, you will discover the magic hours where your inner genius sparks. It can be weird timings like 3 am. Mark Manson has mentioned that some of his best work is done at 3 am at night. Each one of us have different preferences, perspectives, brains, and situations where we feel most comfortable. Morning rituals will definitely boost your productivity. It boosted mine too. But what's more essential is that you explore your own habits, brains, mind, body, etc. and find out what's best for you. Maybe it's also your dream to have a perfect morning ritual of your own. I'm also trying to reach that goal. Procrastination is our common enemy, and it ruins our struggle to fix ourselves. So it would be great if you can understand your psychology first. For example, your fears, likes and dislikes, etc. And then try to build habits, morning rituals, and whatnot. Problem with work as a linear function. If we assume work as a linear function, what we are trying to say is that if you work for 4 hours instead of 2, it should be twice as much as productive compared to before. But sadly, it is not so. When we include intellectually demanding work, the matter is different. This mindset usually comes from our school lives. They used to give us a lot of homework, and if we work for let's say 5 hours instead of 1, it would be more work done. When we treat brain intensive work the same way we treat cleaning our room, we are bound to fail. If you work for 16 hours on a project instead of 8, you won't see double productivity or twice as much as productivity compared to 8. Take exercise for example. If an individual goes to a gym and does a 1 hour workout, he or she won't see three times improvement if they work out for 3 hours. Instead, it is more often the case that the individual experiences diminishing returns. The same logic can be applied to brain intensive work. Your brain gets tired too, and the productivity reduces when you work for a long time. In worst case scenarios, you'll notice that some works that are done by overworking your brain produces more work for yourself. That is, you'll have to rework on that project. Rest exists for a reason. It must have happened to you before. Suppose your favorite fruit is mango. After a long time, you get to eat a lot of mangoes. You eat like a hungry man and do it for a couple of days. After some time, you don't even want to see mangoes. But after a few months, your love for mangoes return. Working is similar too. Vacations exist for a reason after all. Our brains feel great after working or solving a problem, but a break is needed. If you take some break from your work and have some me time, you will produce more productive work than before. As we have discussed before, continuously working for an extended period of time diminishes the productivity and the individual creates some extra work for themselves. Here's your conclusion. So, find the best times of the day when you feel more productive. Don't even assume that you will see 2 times as the results if you work for 16 hours instead of 8. Intellectually demanding work is different. And at last, take some rest and do something which you like. It can be playing a guitar, reading a book, or even gaming. Human beings are not some working animals. Life should be completely balanced. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up or thumbs down and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.